Hello, I'm Jordan from Monroe and today we're on Macintosh Close in Horsforth Vale to check out this 3-bedroom semi-detached property. Come inside. The ground floor accommodation includes a WC, storage cupboard, large living room with double door access out onto the garden and this kitchen with upgraded granite worktops. Upstairs in this immaculate property there are 3 bedrooms in total, a house bathroom, and the primary bedroom features fitted wardrobes and an ensuite. The showstopper of 12 Macintosh Close has got to be this beautiful private back garden and terrace. On the market for offers over £310,000. To arrange your viewing, call Monroe.